Duond buch ODM kotelne kod jakom margi Gladys Wanga koro kwedo okang' mamalo weche manogol gi gavana ma Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga ewi tho mar Raila Odinga ka giwacho ni en gino ma ok ber kata matin ahinya to sani ma pod piny okuyo. Giwacho ni Kahiga en achiel kuom jotelo mawinjo ber e gigo mane Odinga okedone kaka sirikande mag loch gwenge, kendo en achaya miwuoro ka tho mar Odinga nyalo more. Jotelogo medo ni onge gimoro amora ma ibiro wachi machido chuny oganda Luo siro tend William Ruto.
Coming from someone who occupies a respectable position of the Vice Chairman of the Council of Governors, it is utterly absurd and astonishing. We therefore demand that he immediately resigns from his position with immediate effect, and the COG cannot have a loose-mouthed, reckless, primitive and irresponsible person holding such a position. And I would like to add that the very position that Kahiga holds as governor of Nyeri is a creation of the fight of Raila Amolo Odinga. And we know that there is politicians like Kahiga who in the life of Raila Amolo Odinga have used him as a bogeyman to scale their own political heights there. But it is shocking that they continue to make Raila a bogeyman in his death.
As a community, we have absolutely no problem with our Kikuyu brothers and sisters. We marry them, we work with them, we associate with them. We've got friends all across the Mount Kenya region. But Kahiga and Gachagua, as we go into our next elections, Baba put us into this government, and we have to make that very clear. And this government, we shall stay.
They talk about the question of equity, they talk about the question of equalization and affirmative action. So whatever it is that the people of this region and the people of any other region benefit from as a result of trying to be equalized is not something that people should be ashamed of. And to use this to try to mock a person who has suffered for this country at a time that he has died is extreme. We condemn it in the strongest possible.